Hey guys, if your iPad Pro is stuck on the charging screen like mine is here, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you a few troubleshooting steps we can take to fix this. So I've had this iPad on charge overnight and I've just went to turn it on and it's still stuck on this charging logo thing here. So how we fix this is, first you need to try changing the charging block and also the charging cable that runs from the plug over to the iPad. So this charging block that I have in the wall here now, if you do have another one lying around the house, then try replacing that with another one. And also this USB-C wire, we're also going to try replacing this. You can also try plugging the cube into a different wall socket. And if you have tried changing all of these things already and that still hasn't fixed it, then you can also try plugging the iPad in directly to your laptop. Sometimes this can also fix the issue. Now, if you have tried all of those and that still hasn't worked, then what you'll need to do is change this charging block to its original charger. Sometimes if you have one of these aftermarket cubes, then it might not be providing enough power so the iPad can charge. So what you need to do is you need to locate the original charging block that came with your iPad and make sure you're connected using this. This is what it looks like for my particular model of iPad, but your block may look slightly different, but just make sure it's the original iPad charger. And then what we're going to do is just leave this on charge for about 2 to 3 hours. Now, once you come back to your laptop after 2 to 3 hours, it should be fully charged and it should work as normal. If it still doesn't turn on, then what we can do is try force restarting the iPad. Now, to do that, it's a 3-part combination. You just need to tilt the iPad on its side like so. And at the top here, you'll see this volume up and volume down button. So what we're going to do is we're just going to press the volume up and release, press the volume down and release. And then you need to hold down the power button on the top here. And that's going to force restart your iPad, and just keep holding down this power button for around about 15 to 20 seconds. And sometimes that clears the charging battery logo. Now, if you have tried all of these steps and that still hasn't solved it, it could be time for a new battery in your iPad. But let me know in the comments if this did or didn't work. And if this did help you, then please drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.